Okay guys, let's talk about shading in your tree houses. The first thing I want to iterate is you want to choose a direction that your sun is coming from. I suggest either the left or the right. But you're not going to indicate this with a corner sun. Again, please, no corner suns. How you shade your tree houses lets the viewer know where the light is coming from. The wall facing your sun will be the lightest. The wall facing away will be your midtone. And the bottom will be the darkest. Think about it logically. Where the sun hits first will be the lightest. Where the sun hits last will be the darkest. What I'm looking for when you shade in your treehouse is a progression from light to medium to dark, not a stark, dramatic contrast. Okay, let's begin. So for my drawing, I'm going to have my light source coming from the right. I start with my 6H on the lightest side. Don't forget to crosshatch so you have consistent shading throughout. When you shade your midtone, you want to use your HB. I'm using gradient shading. It starts darker the further away it gets, and lighter the closer it gets. That will add an element of interest to your value. For the bottoms of my objects, I'm going to use a combination of both the 5B and the HB. Again, we're looking for contrast, but not too dark. When shading in your roofs, I often think of roofs as being a bit of a darker value, so I like to use the 5B to keep them dark. How you decide to shade your windows and doors is up to you. I often like to add details with the 5B pencil, but leave the windows for the most part white. But again, that's your choice. Once you have finished shading in your homework, be sure to take a photograph and submit it to the perspective progress portion of your GFA or drawing Google Slide submission. This will count for a grade. Good luck, and please let me know if you have any questions.